So now, on my Ghana preconditions and a nearma who do be a IMF and penny for a year set one more answer. One more ebedi abusia bona tumu anasa de tesano ene ya make say de yetimi adru ni nyina ho atwamu se de wo pe no ya ye ne saa de amawo na nsantwefo nhia mudi ase photo send ken oforiata ene de nsemi tudwa wo kire mu se woni executive board wo IMF di nkomo ahyiahia adwendwene ne de bibia wo mo kan ye bia no eye ne kwan so eye papa nso ye course nsantwefo nhia mudi ase Adom Kasee etwaso
Kanoforiata swafo show mensi kasem so na semtrofo dwumade bia se ene odi tudwa se enhyehyeye ene eniam e wo so men edigu akwan mu se de be ya wode be kwa akoto IMF executive board nanim na aboa mo wonom nsa aka sika wo hia no wonom atimi aye ne nyina awie aka anohoba wonom a aban ede wonom ka no wode be ma se be ya enhyehyeye ne nyina ebetumi adi mu.
So as you can see, we've gone through a lot since July 2022, and I think the sentiments we have encountered in DC this week have been quite overwhelming, with specific statements from the managing director of the fund and other senior officials, and most of the meetings bilaterals we have had, which also met with a great positive response. So there has been a tremendous show of support from the fund, the bank, and all our bilateral partners, and for this I express
Kanoforiata kasa yemu no en wo kire enyame bi nti a aban ehwe se rotos no obesan ede ababio.
The budget, we did talk about roadblocks in the budget. Where we were really as a government was to look at sort of new highways, such as currently the discussions that we are having for Tema motorway, which will then be new six lane roads, and those would be where we think we'll exact these road tolls. So I'm not sure that this quote unquote a reversal, nor does it have to be linked to the levy.